sa lahat, Heather. Okay, Heather, please connect to everybody and make friends, Heather. Thank you so much, Heather. Aroy. Ayan, Ate Terry, shout out. Nets TV, shout out, Nets. Thank you so much, Miss Linkits. Thank you to my 5,000 eyes. Maraming salamat. Lipstick, look. Ayan. Bukas ako magpa-premiere. Hindi na muna ako magpa-premiere mamaya. Kasi nga, para ano may spacing, no? Hater, thank you so much, Hater. And welcome. Thank you. And sa yung ano, kunting pagmamahal galing sa mga may gintong puso sponsor. Ayan, Sam Gloves. Hello, Sam. How are you? Still looking for the gloves? Your glove is here. A lot of gloves in my kitchen. You see the gloves? This is what you want. A lot of plastic gloves in my hands. Okay? You want the gloves to wear? Your gloves. Thank you so much, Sam. Yes. Yes, the gloves. I do prepare gloves every time you ask. You ask those gloves. Thank you, Sam. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, my viewers out there. Thank you. And please, Nits TV already subscribe. Yes, thank you so much, Heather. You can do subscribe, Heather. Thank you, Heather. You. Thank you for the concern. And still watching. Sir Gloves. Ayan. Thank you. O, dikit-dikit lang kayo dyan ha. Para ano tayo, makarami, no? Para dumami ang inyong mga subscribers, bananas. Ayan, dito ko sa yung bahay ha. It's 18-minute video. And play natin mamaya yung iba. Okay? Salamat Kuya Au. Thank you so much. Oh. Dikit-dikit ka lang dyan, ano, Ed's vlog. No. Ayan, sa lahat, pwede mo siyang dikitan. How are you? Sam. Sam is always good and looking for the gloves. I don't wear those gloves because, I can't touch anything. Sachi, thank you so much, Sachi. Good morning, good evening, Sachi. How are you, Sachi? Thank you for joining, Sachi. I'm fine, thank you. You're fine? I'm fine too, Sam. Where are you from, Sam? You're from the UK? Dito, nakabiji. Ayan, salamat Ate Terry. Thank you so much. And good evening, everyone. Thank you guys. Maraming salamat. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Thank you, thank you. Ayan. Tigulo Diding, shout out. Shout out sa inyong lahat and please welcome guys. Don't be shy. And you can connect to everybody, okay? Okay, I'll speak a vlog. And Kuya Au ha, still watching Kuya Au. And thank you, Lu. Tamsak. Maraming salamat, Diding. Ayan. Thank you so much, guys. Please do connect everybody. Okay, Maals Mika Vlog. Shouty. Ayan. Harang. And please don't skip the ads, guys, if there's an ads in the video. I only stay watch. Disposable gloves. Wearing those gloves is kind of annoying because the weather in the Philippines is so hot. So you can't use the gloves because the weather is hot and makes your hands sweat. Yeah. Ayan. Thank you so much and good evening, everyone. You can connect and make friends, guys. Don't be shy. Thank you so